Thank you for messaging me during my live. I'm going to give you a full audit and tell you what I'm seeing, and hopefully it helps. I hope I don't say anything like upsetting. I just am giving you the real hot take of what I see and where I think you can go. First off, go check her out. She looks amazing. So the first thing I'm going to say about the Ko-Fi is that this link is your invite link. And it's not that it's a bad thing, it automatically opens the app to the invite for somebody to join the app and not necessarily shop the app. So if you want to change that, that would be your top thing. So it would be this part right here that would send them directly to this page. Now, you did something really great here. You started with your profile and filling it all out. And so that is really good for profile consistency as well as doing your lists. What I'll say that I tell everybody that I see that you're working on is that your lists need to be 15 to 21 items, okay? The 15, once you get to 15 items, you will get a green check mark. If you don't get it by 21, you're looking at certain things like your notes not being large enough. And I do this almost every audit. I see this where the notes are not long enough so that you won't get this optimized. I know that you're still working on these lists, so take that with a grain of salt, because I know that I'm seeing longer notes even here. I know that you're working on it. The next thing that I'm going to tell you is that I don't see any monetizable lists. That's going to sound harsh, but what I'm saying here is that Benable pays for brand partnership affiliate marketing. They want this. They want you to do this, which I think is amazing. You're doing a great thing by like setting up like reviews of businesses and things like that. Those non-affiliated links are going to boost your list and boost your profile because they don't necessarily are attached to an affiliate payout. So what I'm saying here is like when you go into here, your pet-friendly hotels, it's petswelcome.com or bringfido.com. It may not necessarily be a affiliated partner. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. This could be affiliated partner. I'm just talking out of my ass. But what you can do for travel specifically is you can go into the dashboard and go to your brand partners and go down to category and go travel. Like there is a travel section. Let me see if I can find it. Home, interest. Is it gonna, it's alphabetical. Yes, it's alphabetical. So there's a whole travel list. So these are your brand partners that are going to pay you to post about them. So you could have pet-friendly hotels at hotels.com, which you can feature at those different locations, and then you would get paid by that location. You could have Expedia in there. You could have bookings.com. You could have Best Western in there. I mean, I could be completely wrong. You can tell me that I'm totally wrong, that it's affiliated, but I'm not seeing any partners there that is going to get you commission. That's just me looking at it. So my closest example to one of your lists would be this list. So when I go in there, I have Best Western, which is, it is a affiliate. Whoa. I have Expedia, a couple of versions of Expedia. There is reviews of regular businesses that are in that area, and that boosts the list to get it out even more. However, I do highlight certain things that are there that are commissionable. I also have things that I integrate that's other affiliate marketing businesses like Ulta, of like, I'm in this place, this is what I did, it was cool, so I include that too. The reason why I say this is because you could have something like hiking. So hiking gear could be a part of a particular destination that you want to go to. It could be some restaurant feature that you really, really like. Maybe it's cups that are really cool, and you can sell that cup in that same list. You could also do a travel list and then put a camping list beside it in the same profile, and that travel list would boost your overall profile, and then you would get commissions from the alternate list, which would be your camping emergency supplies, right? So there's lots of different options with Benable, and like, you're already doing the right thing. Categories and the profile setup, I think there just needs to be a little bit more integration of affiliate, and that you need to get your list 15 to 21 items. And if you fall short, I do have a checklist. I actually think I have this featured anywhere, but if you want to pause it and read, this is my little checklist for optimization. I'm going to try and throw this into my free guide as well, just because if it doesn't get optimized by 21, you should stop and every 10 minutes only change one thing in your list, because it could be as small as just your notes not being long enough. It could be a photo not being retracted like into the proper sizing format. So definitely try to get to 15, 21 items and integrate more affiliate links into your lists, and then you should see a bit of a change. I realized this video was probably way too long. I don't know if you made it to the end. I'm sorry about that. I hope it did help though in some capacity, and feel free to ask me questions and I can definitely get into it a little bit.